Hello and welcome to this video about EasyVSL. Now I would love to review EasyVSL because it's had an update. I have made a video about EasyVSL before and hopefully I'll be able to find that and put a link in the card up in the top right hand corner. This is EasyVSL. It's obviously been updated in the times of AI, but there's something that concerns me because there is a pay once, use forever. All the emails I've been sent about it have been about one-time fee, nothing else. But if we click here, EasyVSL now, then it takes us down here and it's a monthly payment. It should be £67 as a one-time fee, so £22 per month is ridiculous, but there's no way to buy it on a one-time fee. Click on this instant access. So let's get instant access to EasyVSL. Yes, it's $270. Now that is not $67 one-time fee. So I would love to buy for a one-time fee EasyVSL and do some reviews, but I can't, and there's no way I'm buying it on a monthly basis. It's also a shame that these don't seem to work. I must say I'm not very impressed by the sales page.